Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 14th day of July 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and it's a trade taken in the room today by myself and other traders as well. So here we go. We're going to do something a little different than what we normally do. Normally we feature our strong candle indicator, but today we're going to feature another one of our proprietary indicators, and that is the delta signal. And that delta signal basically says there are a lot of sellers or buyers, depending on which direction you're going, in the area at this time. And it would be a good place to play, it would be a good idea to place a trade on this line to go either short or long. So red just being short towards the bottom of the screen, green being long toward the top of the screen. And used properly, usually with the step and trend, this is an amazing place to get into a trade when there may not seem like there's one. This is not a strong candle right here as compared to the previous one. There are Fibonacci reasons why this didn't go anywhere, and we'll teach you when and how to use this. But used properly, it is an awesome, awesome tool. And right now, we're going to wait for our first delta, which is a red line, to appear on the screen going short towards the bottom of the screen. Sellers have the step and trend. And so we'll wait for the first delta. We'll put a order on the screen on top of the first delta that we get, and we'll see how it all worked out today. And here's how it all went down. First thing I'm going to do is figure out my expected next candles to be around 100 ticks in length. So I'm going to pair my ATM. We'll go for our usual 20s, 50s, and 21s. We'll de-risk the trade after 20 and go from there. So here's how it all went down. So all I'm waiting for now is for a one of these red lines to appear on this candle on the way down. I'm going to pick up my order, and as soon as I get that red signal on this candle, I'm going to put it down there. Again, we'll teach you how to use them properly. That's not one we would have used. There's a delta long. We would not have gotten into that. We're not going to trade in the trend indicator. We're not going to trade against the step and trend. We're going to trade with the step and trend. So here we go. Yeah, I guess we could speed it up a little bit. Could be here a while waiting for it, but okay, it comes in somewhere around here. Whoop. That's where we want. That's close enough. You'd like to be right on top of it. There we go. Then we're going to wait for the market to pick us up. We're going to put it, first thing we do is like we do on all our trades, is put our stop where it belongs and just let the trade run out. Now notice when that first target gets hit, the stop is going to come down to a break-even position. Boom. So we can't lose any money on this trade. We can only break even or make money. There we go. 20s and 50s are out. We're in profit. We can't lose money at this point. All we need to do is wait and see how this all works out. Speed it up a little bit more. Now notice, we'll stop it when we get there. This candle is going to be a very strong candle. And if you've been with us any period of time, you know we love our strong candle indicator. Now each one of these delta signals, the red lines here, could be another trade. You can put another order on, put another order on. It's a great way to scale into the market. But we're going to just do one trade at a time, and we'll worry about all the complications later. You don't have to do that, but the delta signal's quite versatile. All right, so let's see what happens when this candle closes. Okay, now look. Notice on this candle, we get our strong candle indicator that we have on many times. We use them on trade of the day. That says this is a very strong candle that we should continue to trade the market down towards the bottom of the screen. If I wanted to, I just wait for this to push up a little bit, put another order on the body of this candle, and we could be in two trades at one time. Since we de-risked the first trade, we can be in the second one. Again, we're not going to do that here for a couple of reasons. YouTube doesn't like us making more than $1,000 per trade, so we're going to just keep this focused on the one first delta trade. But we could be entering a whole new trade right here. And just let this finish up. Doesn't take too long. Once it gets going, it goes pretty fast. Okay, buyers have had enough now. And boom, once it gets running, it runs fairly well. Now that trade took almost 8 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 8 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room. Um, the only place you can find the delta indicator and the strong candle indicator makes trading a breeze when you learn how to use them properly. So we look forward to seeing you in live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.